Hello and welcome to my historical recipes. Just a very short recipe today, but a nice one, from the 14th century, from Germany, from the city of Würzburg. And it is actually, well, it's a small dish you could have for dinner, but I think it's rather also good for breakfast, in which you use stale bread, which is always good. I love to use leftovers. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients. For one person, you need one bread roll from yesterday or the day before, one apple, some almond milk and some butter. So what I do simply is to cut up this bread roll into cubes. I put this into a small saucepan, including all the breadcrumbs. Don't waste your breadcrumbs. And I pour some almond milk on top, about 1 cup. And now next thing, I cut the apple. Now I put some butter. The text actually says lard, but butter will do the job. Into another small saucepan. And I cut that apple into cubes. And I think the cat heard the word lard. No lard here. Now I boil the bread pieces in the almond milk. By the way, it's just commercial, normal, sweetened almond milk. Therefore, no extra sweetener needed. And I fry the apple pieces in the butter.
Yes.
Brown the apples. And also this is done. It takes about 5 minutes, the whole procedure. And I turn off the fire. And now we just put the fried apple pieces on top of our almond bread puree. An optional pinch of cinnamon. And what do you think? You think it's a good breakfast? Would you like to try?
Yes.
Let's try.